Hi guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today we want to take a look at this viral problem that we normally have, and we have it to be 6 divided by 2 open bracket 1 plus 2 close bracket will be equals what? First and foremost, let's take a look at the BIDMAS. The BIDMAS operation is we have brackets first, indices, division and multiplication. But you must understand that in the case of BIDMAS, what BIDMAS says is that division and multiplication, no one is more priority over the other. That is, no one is more important the other. So now, in the case of you have, in the case of you have 2 divided by 3 times 2, what the BIDMAS trying to say here is that we can go along with this as taking our operation from the left to the right in the case of division or multiplication, addition or subtraction. That we have multiplication here, you have division here, as we have it here to be like this. So we are to consider our operation from the left to the right. So now we have it to be 2 divided by 3, then multiply by 2. That's what the BIDMAS is trying to tell us, that we have this one to be 2 divided by 3, then multiply by 2. We start operation from here. Now let us now apply it here, whether it is applicable or not. Now we have another one to be PEMDAS. Now PEMDAS is also the same thing as BIDMAS. They are using the same operation in the case of having multiplication and division, that no one is more important than the other, whether you have multiplication or division. That is what we have here, is what PEMDAS is also trying to say, that when you have 2 divided by 3 times 2, now you will start, since it is a multiplication and addition and division, you will start your order of operation from the left, then it will now be 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 2. Now in the case of us having this 6 divided by 2 into 1 plus 2. Now by applying whether BIDMAS or PEMDAS, we have parentheses first here, then we have here bracket as well. So that means we can have here to be 6 divided by 2 into by opening this one, we have it to be 3, and we are going to have this to be 6 divided by open the bracket, then you have 2 times 3. Now in the case of having division and multiplication, and the BIDMAS and PEMDAS trying to tell us that no one is more important than other, so we can now start our order of operation from the left to the right, according to this one, left to the right. Now so we are going to have this to be 6 divided by 3 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, then multiply by 3, and this one will now be equals 3 times 3, where we are going to have it to be 9. So according to the PEMDAS and BIDMAS, we have this to be equals 9. But when you use some Casio calculator, you are going to have your answer to be equals 1. And I think this is how they solve it when you have 6 divided by 2 into 1 plus 2. When you start with this, we have it to be 6 divided by 2 into 3. And in the case of you open the word parentheses, then we are going to have this to be 6 divided by 2 times 3. 2 times 3, then you have multiplication. They consider multiplication first, then you have 6 divided by 2 times 3 will be 6. 6 divided by 6, you have it to be equals 1. And now there is a confusion, because we have 9, we have 1 to be answered. Now which one is correct? Now let us check for the BODMAS. Now in the case of BODMAS, when we deal with what? bracket, we are going to go along with this. In the case of BODMAS, we are going to have it to be 6 divided by 2. Now we have this one to be 3. So from here you have bracket. Then we are going to open the bracket from here to be. Now, in the case of BODMAS, this is how to go along with it. You have subtraction, you have addition, then you have addition. We have done with it. Then the next thing is multiplication. Then we are going to open this one. It will be 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. And this will give us 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 3, which equals 6. And 6 divided by 6 will give us 1. So I suggest that the BODMAS is correct along with some scientific calculators. Because for the BODMAS, we have answer to be equals 1. And for the PEMDAS and BIDMAS, we have answer to be equals 9. So if you are new here, once again, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more mathematics tutorial videos. And I think here is the final answer for the problem. But some people are saying that there's no solution for this. But to me, it is no. So now, guys, from here, comment your answer below. Let me know your own answer. Bye.